Now we'll start with class 7, chapter number 1st, nutrition in plants. In this chapter, I will tell you about what is nutrition. We had two types of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. In this chapter, I will tell you about replenishing nutrients in the soil. Now, what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which an organism obtains nutrients and use them for the growth, development and maintenance of the body. What is nutrition? It is the process by which organism, what they do, they obtain nutrition and they use it for growth, development and maintenance of the body. Mainly there are two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. We have two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. And what are if we classify autotrophic into different types, we had parasitic, saprophytic, symbiotic or insectic. If we talk about autotrophic nutrition, it is a nutrition that plant exits autotrophic nutrition and are called myriad producer. What plants do? They synthesize their food by using light, carbon dioxide and bugs. All green plants, they are autotrophs because they can measure cold sea और इस process से अपना खाना बनाते हैं by the process of photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a food making process in which the plants have found their simple substance like carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight. Oxygen release होती है during the photosynthesis and what plants take? Plants takes in carbon dioxide. Now, process of photosynthesis can be represented as the process of photosynthesis take place in green leaves of plant. किसमें होती है? Green leaves में, and it is prepared by the green leaves of the plant in the form of simple sugar. और simple sugar को क्या कहता है? Glucose. Then the extra glucose, जो extra glucose होता है, it is changed into another food called starch, and starch is stored in leaves of the plant. और starch को हम कहाँ store करते हैं? Plants की leaves. The green plants convert sunlight energy into chemical. Sunlight energy को किस में convert करता है? Chemical energy में. और क्या बनाता है? Carbohydrates. Now, how do plants prepare their food? Plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. It's a complete process is given to you. You can read it. And we can also say that the photosynthesis is a bioclimable process in which plants and few bacteria, what they use sunlight, carbon dioxide, water to produce oxygen and glucose. What happens? Oxygen is released as a byproduct, whereas glucose is used to carry out cellular activities. Glucose क्या carry out करता है? सारी की सारी cellular activity. Now, factors affecting photosynthesis. There are many factors. Like there are several factors that are required for constant rate of photosynthesis. First is light intensity. Increased light intensity results in higher rate of photosynthesis. On other hand, low light intensity results into lower rate of photosynthesis. जितना क्या होगा कम लाइट की इंटेंसिटी होगी उतना ही कम क्या होगा rate of photosynthesis होता. Then we have concentration of CO. जितनी ज़्यादा concentration होगी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की वो क्या इंक्रीज करेगी? रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस को, जिसकी रेंज होती है 300 to 400 की है. ये कब होता है? जब आपके एजुकेट्स होता है photosynthesis. Now this is an activity given. You have to read this activity. ठीक है? This is the why process of photosynthesis necessary. ये activity है. You can read it. Then we have temperature. If we talk about temperature, for efficient execution of the process, it is important to have optimum temperature. जिसका range है 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Water is important factor. Lack of water can lead to problem in intake of carbon dioxide. अगर lack of water है से क्या होता है? Problems to intake of carbon dioxide. Scarcity of water leads to diffusion of stomach. अब ये क्या retain करता है? Amount of water they have stored inside. जितना भी पानी उन्होंने क्या करा है? Store कर. Then we have pollution. मतलब जो industrial pollutants होते हैं, they and other particles they may settled on each surface, this block the pores of stomata and make it difficult to take in carbon. और बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है जब वो stomata block हो जाते हैं, वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दे नहीं पाते. Now go study about the equation of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, what they get? Glucose and oxygen. Now we have D leaks. What are these called? They are called root bacteria of plants. Now photosynthesis occurs in green plants parts of the plant, mainly the leaf. The structure of leaf stores pollinator that make it suitable place to carry out photosynthesis. जो leaves होती हैं, they are flattened to have large surface area to obtain maximum sunlight. They are thin to allow sunlight to reach all the cells of leaf. They have large spaces between the cells. जो क्या allow करती है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या कर सके इजिली एंटर कर सके. जो leaves हैं, they have network of xylem muscle and that run through their veins and the supply water to all cells for photosynthesis. और leaves के पास क्या होता है? They have phloem जिसके थ्रू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या करती है lead में enter करती है. Now functions of stomata. What are the functions of stomata? Now at the time of photosynthesis, what happens? जो stomata होता है वो open करता है. Stomata opens by swelling of these guard cells and let the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enter the leaf side by side. और ये क्या release करता है? ऑक्सीजन जो कब formed होती है? That is formed during the photosynthesis. At night when photosynthesis does not occur, stomata get closed by sinking of white cells. और द स्लिट होते हैं जो एक्सपेल करती है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को और क्या फॉर्म करती है? फॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द रेस्पिरेशन. देन ही हैव सिंथेसाइजेस ऑफ अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर ग्लूकोज. प्लांट सिंथेसाइज ओनली ग्लूकोज थ्रू फोटोसिंथेसिस. ये सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट है जिसका हम यूज करते हैं फॉर सिंथेसाइजेस ऑफ अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर फूड. और जो कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट होती है जैसे आपकी सुक्रोज एंड स्टार्च, दे सिंथेसाइज एंड फॉर्म सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट. और जो सुक्रोज होती है इसको हम ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम लीव्स टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट. किसके थ्रू? फाइलम के थ्रू एंड फॉर इमिडिएटली. स्टार्च इज स्टोर्ड एज स्टोर्ड इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ फूड. हम उसको स्टोर करते हैं इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट. देन वी हैड हेटेरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. इसमें जो न्यूट्रिशन है दैट इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय डाइजेस्टिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. Animals, fungi and many prokaryotic that are unable to synthesize organic compound and what they are known as heterotrophs. They acquire and take in all organic substances they need to survive. Both aerosol and cone bees. What are they? They are heterotroph. और ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है? प्लानिटरी फॉर्जेस. Now what are different types of heterotrophic nutrition? We have saprophytes. First saprophytes. Sapro का मतलब क्या होता है? Sapro means rotor. These are the organisms or non-living plants that feed on dead and decaying organic matter for obtaining their food. और ये जो organism होते हैं, they feed on rotting wood of dead and decaying trees, rotten leaves, dead animals, rotten bread. इसलिए हम इन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Saprophytes. खैर the activity is given to grow a mold on bread. Same practice. उससे कैसे mold हो जाता है उसके ऊपर activity है. Then we have fungi like mushroom, yeast, bread molds and certain bacteria. They are saprophytes. Then we have parasitic plant. It is the mode of nutrition in which organism or non-living plant they feed on other big tasks. What are they called? They are called parasitic plants. And the plant that provides food is called host plant. And the parasitic plants absorb food from the root or the stem of host plant. देखिए क्या डेवलप करते हैं कि एक स्पेशल रूट डेवलप करते हैं स्ट्रक्चर जिन्हें हम कहते हैं होस्टोरिया. They enter host tissue and reach vascular bundle. They are total parasitic as they completely depend upon host plant. में सब पर डोनर हो गया. ये किस पे डिपेंड होता है? completely अपने host plant. Why other to be partial parasite? कुछ partial होते हैं. They can synthesize their food but they depend on host plant for water and milk. ये अपना खाना synthesize तो करता है लेकिन ये किस पे डिपेंड करते हैं? They depend on other plant for water and mineral. Like your mist toy is a partial parasite on mango and mamba. आपने mango और mamba दो plants होकर उन पे देखा होगा. Then we have symbiotic plants. What are symbiotic plants? Well, two organisms. वो एक साथ रहते हैं, अपना शेल्टर शेयर करते हैं, अपने न्यूट्रिएंट शेयर करते हैं उससे रहता है symbiosis और symbiotic relation. ठीक है, they mutually help each other. एक दूसरे की क्या करते हैं? हेल्प करते हैं. Like we have roots of leguminous plant like gram, मूंग, उड़द, peas, they have modi. Rhizodium bacteria जो है जो कन्वर्ट करता है एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को इनटू सिंपल नाइट्रेट. किसने? एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को soluble in. Then we have nature. They are also symbiotic organism. Algae make food both by photosynthesis and fungus provide shelter, water and mineral to algae. और जो fungus होता है, what is provide? It provides shelter, water and mineral to L. Then we had insectivorous plants. What are insectivorous plants? They are green plants that can make their own food by their photosynthesis and they eat insects. So they are called insectivorous plants. What they do, they trap and digest insect to meet their nitrogen requirement. They grow in marshy soil. और जो soil होता है वो कैसा होता है? नाइट्रोजन डेफिशिएंट होता है. पिक्चर प्लांट है Venus flypaper at the temple of insectivorous plants. ये रटरनी लीफ को मॉडिफाई करते हैं एंड द ब्राइट कलर ऑफ पिक्चर इज वेरी अट्रैक्टेड टू दिस. Inside the picture there are several hair-like structures. These hair direct the trap insect downwards, and when an insect they sit on the picture of the plant, the lid closes and the insect get trapped inside the picture. और insect क्या करके उसको digest कर ले. You have found that plants absorb nutrients from the soil, so the amount of nutrients जो soil में decrease होता है तो nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, calcium and some plants milk. These nutrients need to be added to enrich the soil. और जो manure और fertilizer होते हैं, they are within such nutrients. So by adding manures and fertilizer, you can fulfill the requirement of the plants. और जो most plants है, what they require nitrogen to make protein. और जो nitrogen है, वो available होके planting है, but plants cannot use it directly. Bacteria such as rhizobium cannot prepare their own food. They live in roots of gram, mold, and other legumes, and they use the atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into plant usable form. They have symbiotic relation, and this relation has great significance for the farmers. So what farmers do, they do not need to add nitrogenous fertilizer to the soil in which leguminous plants are grown. जिसने आपके leguminous plant क्या कर रहे हैं? Grow. Right? Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.